of our department. And to all the
reconciliation happened, then we have seen that the progress is not showing much. So this is the context in which we meet. Alarming thing from last meeting to this meeting is that the Honorable Supreme Court is instituting a case on this, which is an ongoing case based on a PIL. And one of the orders that was passed by the Honorable Supreme Court was that for transparency and for very, very crucial, and they're asking all the states to do that. Most of the states have done that. These instructions have been coming for the last 1.5 years, and the ministry pointedly makes it, kind of a rule to send to us every fortnight that they are instructing all the states to do 100% e-KYC. So now only two states are such who are left behind. One is Meghalaya, one is Arunachal, and these two states are getting the stick from the ministry. And we were called for parliamentary standing committee. On this matter, we were grilled intensively that what is the special issue or problem in Meghalaya. And when we raised our points, it cut no ice with them. They are saying that it is your state is proved wrong by your own data. So you are saying that there are difficulties, challenges in Aadhar seeding and in saturation campaign and in e-KYC, but your state claims that you have 85% Aadhar saturation in the state. What of that? So if you have 85% Aadhar covered, how come in terms of e-KYC it is very low, and why your Aadhar seeding for beneficiary is around moving around 50% mark? So they are saying that perhaps there is a lack of initiative and effort on behalf of the state government, and ministry also feels the same thing, and the Honorable Apex Court also feels the same thing. Now the worry is that we are coming alarmingly close to contempt of court, because the court has given us enough time. It's been around 1.5 years. The letters by which we have been warned, we have been told, have been shared with us, and now the case is instituted against chief secretaries of all the states, most of whom have already complied fully. So we are now almost facing contempt of court. It can happen in any time. Therefore, there is more need to have this kind of a campaign, saturation campaign, where we go all guns blazing. We have to do all things that we have to do. We also would like to change our strategies a bit. A lot of focus should be on the fair price shop dealer. The beneficiaries are coming every month to the fair price shop dealer and lifting the allocation. Around 2 years back, the carriage cost and profit margin used to be split almost half and half between the wholesale dealer and the fair price shop. Now the entire money is going to the fair price shop only. So it means that for more carriage cost, profit margin, which the fair price shop dealer is getting for more than a year, there is no demonstrable progress on their part to do the beneficiary seeding, for which we are drawing flag. And for this, there needs to be special strategies. We will talk about it when we show you the presentation. But it has reached up to that level. Now, when we talk to law department, and we would be facing contempt in this case. They are saying that contempt lies with the doer. The doer is the office of DC, and the cause of action or inaction lies with you and with your SDO civil who is there, or you are in charge of the supply department. So the cause of action lies with you. Appointment of the fair price shop dealers has been done by you. And any kind of inaction, any kind of lack of support, cooperation which you are getting from the fair price shop, action has to be taken by you. So I think in that sense, more than CS and the department, the cause of action, inaction, lack of action lies now squarely with the district teams. So all of you are now equally on board with us in this journey, and there have to be regular meetings. So we are asking for very basic things. First of all, of course, we are going to launch under the leadership of Honorable Minister, sir. We are going to launch a saturation campaign 2.0. So
division or such a tough block do well. So two important launches on campaign mode, mission mode. One is of course